What's going on, guys? In this video I'm going to be doing the Airbox mod on my Golf GTI. So this is a common thing that a lot of people do on the forums. I think it's called the Pikey Airbox mod, but essentially just drilling out the right hand side, or left hand if you're in America, of the air intake system to allow more airflow to go in. So literally I grabbed the drill. A lot of people cut it out, but it ends up looking not too neat and quite messy. So I literally got this circle drill attachment bit and just drilled in 3 or 4 holes, as you can see. As long as you do it nice and slow, it will leave a pretty clean cut, like this. And there, as you can see, it looks pretty smooth and it kind of has an OEM finish. Obviously, it's different to the left-hand side's lines or like grill look, but it literally does the job of letting the air come in through the bottom, up through there, and then directly into the filter. So this works perfect alongside the snow grate removal mod. If you want to see that, go on to my channel and there'll be another video there of the pipe across panel air filter. I ended up changing out the pipe across panel filter for a Ram Air induction kit, which, let's face it, probably be less effective because you'll probably get heat soak, but it sounds so much better. So that's the reason I went with that. All right, so once you've gone ahead and drilled the holes, you probably want to get a file, a metal file like this, and just smooth out the edges. This is because the edges do get kind of sharp while you're drilling it. So just file it down, make it nice and smooth, and I'll just give it that clean look. All right, so now for the next part where you want to drill into the actual vent thing, you want to go ahead and grab a T20 and take out the 2 screws on the top corners of this little strip here, just like that. So as you can see, that side is open, whereas the other side's blocked off. So once you've done that, you want to remove these 2 inner screws. And then once you remove the pipe, it should just come straight off. Mine's a bit more difficult because I've got the heat shield from the Ram Air. Alright, so you can cut out the whole thing, but again, I think it would look quite messy. So we just decided to go ahead with the circle drill bit and just drill holes into it again. Obviously, you can clear out the whole thing to get more air through, but just for the sake of keeping it tidy, I just went with the circles again. There you go. So I did 3 holes in the middle, 1 on the edge. And now what that means is air should come in through that side and this side and go directly to the air filter, as opposed to going through and traveling along the strip. But yeah, that's been it. Hope you did enjoy it. If you did, be sure to drop a like rating, leave a comment down below if you have any questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Peace.